What's up, everybody? Welcome to the study stream. We're going to be working on some SHSAT. Some SHSAT grammar passages. Didn't expect me to say that. SHSAT grammar passages. And then, of course, we can go into math afterwards as well. What's up, everybody? Do what the chat's up to. Venna first. What's up, everyone? Hey. What's up, Shart Tokyo? Hosen, Bro Stars. Roy's here. Techno. Yeah. Zhang, Henry. Okay, good group. Bro's here. Shauna, what's up? Hello, I quit playing Minecraft since my account expired again. Oh no, Crunchy. Levy, what's up? Luis, hey. Shafiq, what's up? Does anyone play Call of Duty Modern Warfare here? No. Warzone, yes. Call of Duty Mobile? Yes. Redemption Day, yeah, it is. Hi everyone, hey Joan. Reading comp, well, we did reading comp a lot the past week and a half, so we're gonna put reading comp aside today. Math and reading comp, okay, well maybe we'll bring back reading comp a little bit. Super stream, I don't know, man. The only thing that's stopping me from doing a super stream today is my energy level. If I can keep some energy going, then yeah, but I have no plans. Sports show, hey Tyler, can I show you some thumbnails for the next stream? Yeah, bro, you should email them to me. I had to change my name. Isn't it always been Sports show? Or did you have it as something else? And then you're back at Sports show. Surprise Pikachu face, yes. I didn't feel right. How to turn off caps lock on a Chromebook without caps lock key. Yeah, that sounds like a Google search. Do my triangle Discord problem. Oh, we should do that. Drink a lot of coffee. All right. You can tell it's a, oh, look at everything's all set up. You can tell I do have some iced coffee here. Coffee's good for you. It's just water, very natural. Do your triangle Discord problem. Okay, I'll throw it up, Storm. I'll throw it up. Let me just get this water stain kind of rubbed into the desk. Got a water stain. Dude, this desk is, I don't know, awesome. One day I'll tell you guys the story of this desk. It's been places, let's just say that. Okay, so Roy has a while I build this diagram. I guess we could do Roy's riddle. A dad and a son are the same age. Exclamation point, exclamation point, exclamation point. How is that possible? Wait. A dad and a son are the same age? Well, then they're different, then if your brother has a kid, then that's a dad, and you're somebody's son. I think it's just that there are a ton of dads and sons in the world. Is that the answer? It's just that there's more than one dad and more than one son in the world at a given time. That could be the answer. As I whip up this diagram really quick. And this isn't the exact problem from the Discord. You'll have to excuse me, Fusion, but it illustrates the exact same point. I mean, it's the same concept. So what would it be? It would be something like, I think it's something like this. And something like this, and again, it's not to scale or whatever. All right, let me get my streaming software front and center here so I can see what I'm doing. All right. It was something like, you know what, maybe I do have to look at the Discord. You have a question? Drop it in the chat. Maybe I do have to look at the Discord here. Let's see, scrolling. I be scrolling. They see me scrolling. All right. Okay, so I didn't do this diagram quite the justice that it deserves, so I'm just gonna do it as it. But I will. You guys deserve. You guys deserve the best. And this channel is the best, so you guys are doing good. Doing good. You're where you should be. Something like this, and again, eyeballing these angles, so if this isn't absolutely perfect, I have to forgive old tutor here. Okay, so look at the numbers. What are these numbers? It's something like 70, then this would have to be 30. This is not to scale, obviously. Okay, that's what it is. 55, 65, and then we have, all right, this took like 10 years off or something because so smart. So here's the question, and what we're asking is, which is the longest side? Which is the longest side of this diagram? This is the question. Get my lights on. So we got the production value going. Wow. Unbelievable production value. Where's the filler music? Got a little groove going. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, here we go. So we got some answers coming in. I'm not going to write them down just because we're going to be doing a couple of these hard questions today. All right, let's see. I can't join the Discord. I can't join the Discord. Well, let me get you a new invite, player. Don't even trip. Don't even trip. Boom. Welcome to the Discord. We have to keep tutor test prep a secret. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. That's the opposite of what you should be doing. You should be sharing the streams with your good friends. Okay, so we'll look at the solution to this riddle after this math question. We'll just do that. Okay, so O has DC. You know, I should do answers because you guys put enough effort to put it into the chat. We'll do the answers here. I got you. What if my friend takes my spot at Sty? Well, come on, you gotta think of me here, you know? Come on. You know, it's probably not gonna be one person takes your spot. And also, you do want to have friends with you in your school. So, you know, definitely recommend the channel. Please recommend the channel because YouTube does not. YouTube does not, unfortunately. Okay, here we go. AB. All right, here we go. All right, bros, that's it. Let's talk about the explanation on this one. Sorry if I missed you. So this actually might take more paper because I really want to make sure that there's no misunderstanding here. And the first thing that I just want to kind of take into consideration and put in your guys' minds is this. I mean, the first concept is pretty easy to understand. Whereas if this is 70, 50, 60, this side here is going to be the longest. So it really could be something like a, this probably isn't correct, but 3, 5, and let's just say that's an 8, right? Because it is Hold on a second. Sorry about that. So that's going to be our longest side, right? But one thing that I don't want you guys to get confused, I want you to be very clear about, is what if we have something like this? Okay. This is a much bigger triangle. Very similar, right? But this is our biggest angle. This is going to be our biggest side. Just because this angle is less degrees than this angle does not mean that this side is going to be smaller than this side. All we can use is just comparing these angles to each other and then find the biggest side based off of it. We can't actually compare two angles from two different triangles because, I mean, this is going to be something like this. It's going to be something like this, right? Okay, so that's the concept that you guys really have to understand, and that I was trying to explain this to somebody in the Discord, and that is what is like tripped them up, I think. So let's look at this first triangle. This is going to be our biggest side in ABD. That's super obvious, right? So now we're just looking at this triangle. What's the biggest triangle in this side? Is it our BD? Well, that's opposite of a 55-degree angle. So that can't be our longest side. This is 65. So it's going to be bigger than the 55-degree angle. So that's why our answer is this guy right here, BC. What? Everyone lost the question? Bro. Wait, what? Everyone missed the question? Not a single person got this one? Bro. Bro. I guess it's not, okay, I should be fair. No, actually, I can't be fair. You still can't join the Discord? Does that link not work for you? Or do you just need to get verified? All right, I will go over this one more time. Let's break these into two different triangles. Let's look at this first triangle, and let's just label potential sides and their length. Now, across from the 30-degree angle, even though it doesn't look like it, it's not drawn to die, it's not drawn to scale, okay? Let's just say it is, I don't know, something like 4. The 70 side is going to be much longer, twice as long, probably, something like 9. And the 80 side has to be longer than the 70 side because the angle opening is bigger. So let's just say that this is something like 11. Does that make sense for the first triangle? Do these numbers check out for the first triangle? Yes, they do. So now let's move over to the other triangle and notice that BC, which we have said correctly could be 11, is now part of this triangle, and it's still 11. That's still 11 there. So if this 55 creates a side that's 11, the 60 needs to create a much longer side, because that's a bigger opening than 55, and the 65 would need to create an even bigger side, because a 65-degree opening is bigger than a 55-degree opening. That's why BC for sure has to be our longest side. It says expired or invalid. Let me give you another one. Am I taking crazy pills? Does this make sense? Redemption? Yeah, this is so sad, guys. That's like the saddest thing I think I've ever seen during stream, when everybody misses a problem like that. That's crazy, actually. That's crazy. See what the chat thinks. Wait, can you go over that again? You're confused? Oh, I see. I understand. Yes, now it does. Okay. The biggest side has the biggest angle measure. That's correct. Never seen something like this. Yeah, that's true. Can someone explain? Sport Show, are you still confused? Bro, and Surrey is too? Okay. Okay. I will attempt to explain it one more time, just because every person missed it. And I will do my best to draw it to scale. I really will. That's not crumpling fingers. I can't find my. Oh, okay, here it is. No. Oh, where'd it go? Come on, guys. Forget what the sides were. I think this was A, and this was B, and that'd be C. So this would be D. Okay. So, for those of you who are confused, this is your last chance. If you're confused after this, I can't spend any more time on this. Okay, I really can't. So keep in mind that the only tool that we're using is comparing side lengths inside of a triangle. You cannot compare angles between triangles, but you can compare angle and side length inside of triangles. And the concept is this. Notice the let me zoom out a little more. Notice the side, or like I could even do it like this so you could see inches. Notice how many inches the third side of this triangle is, right? Right now it goes from 18 to 12. So actually that's like what, centimeters? Let's just say it's centimeters. So that's 6 centimeters right in there. Notice what happens to the third side of the triangle the bigger this angle gets. When this angle gets bigger, that third side gets much, 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 much bigger. Now it's like 20 centimeters because the angle in here is much bigger. That's the concept. So we know, because this is the biggest angle, that the side that it produces will be the biggest side. Now I'm just going to throw some fake numbers onto here. This isn't the exact number or whatever, but these are fake numbers of what the side lengths could be. The side length opposite of the 70 is going to be shorter than the side length that's opposite of the 80. That's the concept. So just be aware of that. There is no possible way that this side is longer than any other side, because this is the shortest, smallest angle. Okay? So that's the first concept that you have to lock down. You have to lock it down. Storm Fusion wants another question. I'm explaining to you this question because you said you don't get it. Bro, you can't say that you... No, I'm explaining your first question. You can't ask for a second question while your first question's being worked on. All right, so this is the triangle, right? I hope we're all super clean about that. So what if I were to add some sides? Just put a brand new triangle next to it. And some new angle measurements. Okay. So you might get tempted and go, well, 80 is the biggest, but you cannot compare angles between triangles. Really, this last triangle is just this. That's it. We don't need this top thing anymore at all now. So we see that opposite of the 55 has to be the smallest side. Therefore, opposite of the biggest angle has to be the biggest side. And that's why our answer is BC. That's it. That's the last way I'm explaining this. Levy gets it. Oh, I see it. If you just look at the base and look at the angles, you can tell the smaller angle, the larger the side. Yes. Okay, so there's that problem. There's that problem. All right, so Roy is trying to tell us that her puzzle or her riddle works. The answer is, when the son was born, the man became the dad at the same time. But if the dad is like 50 years old and the son is 0 years old, how are they the same age? That doesn't make any sense. Yeah, that doesn't make any sense. Hey, yo, smash that like button. Thank you. Muster rolling through the chat. Thank you. Definitely smash that like button. Okay, bro, YouTube has new emojis. Wow. What a time to be alive. Bro Stars understands. Yes. Which are very cool. Okay, cool. So let me jump into maybe another question. Should we go into that grammar, or do you guys want to do some more math? Henry has a math question. What's your math question? You just need a long time to type it? Well, okay. Oh, banana. Grammar. Okay, that's one vote for grammar. Anybody else? Hey, around what score do I need to get into STI? I don't know that offhand. If you look at my results video from March, the pinned comment has all the cutoffs from last year, about 560, that sounds right. Cancel YouTube for not suggesting Tyler, so true. I don't know, I just did thing that is such a good question. Okay. I just think that's such a good question. Revising and editing and revising and editing and revising and editing. Redemption. Math. Okay. Math. All right. So I'll give you guys a redemption. You guys can redeem yourselves. You guys can redeem yourselves, but it's not going to be the same type of question. I can't give you another little softball here. So let's see here. Okay, let me get a little funk going in the background here. Are you ready? The Discord said the use is blocked from the guild. Said this use is blocked from the guild. I don't know what that means. Is that literally what it says, or this use is blocked from? Like, I don't know what that means. So I see generally what you want to get on the SHSAT is 550 or higher. Shoot for the 6. Shoot for the 600. I'm good at grammar. Ooh, that's good to know. Yeah, math is cheese. Yeah. ELA about staying awake. Yeah, Tyler, I did not get AP Physics. Sorry, bro. It's just when I take diags, I'm so good at grammar. Yeah, well, keep that going, bro. Here's your question. You're born ready. That's good to see. I just checked out your website, and it's amazing. Thank you. Thank you very much, Sarma. Definitely tell your friends and suggest my videos if you can. Share them. Can you add me on Discord? Yes, but just give me a minute because I'm not on Discord. I rated a 6. Yeah, it's like so average. I agree with Levy and Wang, actually. Because the math helps barely in the ELA, but it has the basics you need to learn, but it's not the best book because it doesn't have, yeah. It's just a place to get questions. Yeah, I can add you, Slender Gamer. Just give me a minute. Is Argo Prep good for SHSAT studying? It's average. Average. I haven't bought their book in the last year or two, but from what I have seen, it's just okay. It's just okay. Kaplan is hot, Garbo. Big agree. Okay, Rebecca's in. Rebecca's taking this seriously. Thank you, Rebecca. Owen. Sorry. Oh. The Andy. Okay. Is this the bandwagon? Okay. All right, so let's cut it off there and let's talk about it. Muster. I gotta get muster. How could I forget? Okay. So if you guys aren't aware of this, this is a theory when it comes to triangles. This is a theory. And to illustrate this theory, I guess, to illustrate this theory, here is a ruler. I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my mind. To illustrate this theory, here's a ruler. Obviously, this is a ruler. Can a ruler and these two pens make a triangle without any overlapping? Well, let's see. We'll stick one here, and we'll stick one here. So it doesn't look, no matter what, it really doesn't look like we can make a triangle with these two. In fact, even if these two pens both added up to the length of the ruler, it still wouldn't be a triangle because we still wouldn't get any bend. So here's the rule. Okay, I wasn't really thinking when I wrote this, but here's the rule. The two sides, okay? The third side must be greater than the difference and less than the sum of the two sides. Does this blow your mind? That's exactly it, Suri. 13 minus 8. Got to be bigger than 5. Got to be less than 21. Slender Gamer, I see you, okay? I will add you on Discord, I promise, okay? Stop spamming the chat. Wow, my brain is shook. Yeah. Dude, this is actually kind of a hard math question, but it's one of those that they may sneak into the tests. It's like totally fair game. Triangle inequality, is that what it's called? Nope, does not blow my mind. Good job, Techno, you got it correct. So obviously it didn't. I was saying, see, the whole time it got filtered though. True story, bro. That's so sad. Summer says the Kaplan book, when learning the content, gives way easier questions than when you take in the SHSAT practice test. That's a good point. I'm in the winner group. Good job. Okay. I don't know how I forgot about this theorem. I learned it this year. Shad, honestly, you should know better, Shad. All right, cool. So I tricked you guys. That one wasn't as bad as the first one. But can you admit I'm bringing the heat today? I'm bringing the triangle heat. You guys feel the warmth coming off of your phone screens? Are your phone screens overheating and having to restart because of how hot these problems are? Fresh off the grill, just the spiciest material. Okay. Is College Panda good for the SAT? Crunchy. It is the best. Hold on, let me get serious here. Let me get serious. I'm not paid to shill this. I mean, I'm not paid, period, but I'm not paid to shill this. It has like coffee stains on it. This book is goated. It is by far, and I know my SAT books, like you can't, and you guys know my standards for material. This book by far is the GOAT. If you are studying for the SAT, get the grammar book. That one is not as good, but still is a lot better than anything you'll find. Get the College Panda. That highly recommend it by my desk just because it has so many great problems in it. I have stolen a problem or two from the book, but we're not going to worry about that. Is Argo Prep good? Okay, let's see. Does anyone know if Argo Prep is good, like from personal experience? What are the programs would you recommend? Expect Tyler Tutor Test Prep. Yeah, of course. Of course, Tyler Tutor Test Prep is the pinnacle of SHSAT prep. Argo is just okay. They just make books. That's their thing. They just try to sell books. Can I email the question to me? Yes, you can. Don't buy Argo, waste of money doesn't help. Yeah, it's not the best. I highly recommend this book for SHSAT, New York City, SHSAT 1000+ practice. Okay. Forgot the difference part. Yep. No, my laptop, blah, blah, blah. I'd recommend Barron's or Tutorverse. Sure, I actually haven't seen either of those. Although I've heard bad things about the Barron's. I will say that. I have heard bad things. But if you like it, you like it. I've never seen it. Steal More Problems, okay. I got Argo books, they're fine. That's good to hear. Queller Prep is good to hear. When am I coming back to Facecam? Oh, I haven't thought about that. I have it set up. I just haven't clicked it on. Come on, let's go on with the question. Lightning rounds. Okay, yeah, let's get back to work here. Get back to work. Let's see if I can trick you guys with a triangle question. They haven't updated their book, Barron's. Tyler, I emailed you about free tutoring. You didn't reply. You only replied for the math. Oh, I get a lot of emails, bro. Can you just resend another one? I'll get back to you, bro. I like Argo because they have video explanations. Yeah, but so does Tyler Tutor. All right, here we go. Another triangle question to try to blow your guys. Let's see if I can. Let's see if I can twist you. Ooh, that might be. Ooh, that might be a very good question. Whoa, a rare on-stream sneeze. Okay. Where's my filler music? That going. All right. Okay. Give me a second on this. Okay. It's coming, it's bubbling. You know, sometimes these problems take time, you know what I mean? Do I do free tutoring? Yeah, I offer free tutoring, but just you have to fulfill some like prerequisites. I can give you a thorough explanation of how to get the free tutoring and also what advantages does it have. I guess the advantage is that I know the SHSAT really well, and I'm an extremely good tutor. All right. This is not to scale. Sorry for the long wait on that one, bros. You know I'm conscious. I'm not, you know, I'm whipping these off the top of the dome a lot of the times. I can't be as fast and as many problems as I want to get done in a stream, but you know, we do it for the stream. This is SHSAT, Leon. Yeah. Thanks for the hype, Rebecca. Big ups to Rebecca. Definitely like the video if you haven't already. Send me a question via email. Can you send it to my my Yi email address? I'll write it. Send it there. This is the only email account I have access to on this computer. All right, we got answers yet? Tyler, I'm going to take the test scan and send you my code. Do it, bro. I didn't go to a specialized high school. Yeah, do it. I normally am pretty good about answering emails, but just resend it so I can make sure I get it, bro. We'll set it up. You do have to get it perfect on both of them. I will say that. Are you guys still working on this? That's crazy. Tyler, what happened to that game? What, the game I created? DeepMind or Geometry Swamp? Which one? How do you know if it's perfect? It will tell you. Yo, I'm surprised. I have been... Did you send it to this new email address, bro? Yep. Okay, I got it. Oh my god, we can't do that question, Henry. It cracks me up, but we can't do that question on stream. But that is a really funny one. Shaw, DeepMind is 84, probably wrong. DeepMind's still up. Now, they no longer support the server that I built it on, or for, let's just say, for other reasons. Slender Gamer, Tyler, are you doing one-on-one tutoring? Yes, I am. I do it online. I've been doing it online for like 3 years. So if you're interested, shoot me an email and we'll set it up. About Crunchy. Got 48. I know I'm missing people here, but I'm like surprised, dude. What's going on with the Chad today? Because I put tanks in. Yeah, it's yep. That's why. Yeah. Okay, 54. Get a bunch of different answers here. Guys, Summer's coming. Sports Show got 44. Dude, have I just been whipping up too much heat for you guys recently? Is that the problem here? Frenchie got 120. All right, let's go into this. Let's talk, guys. Guys, we have to have a stern talking to after this is over. All right, so let's check some angles. Maybe the question's back, but I don't think so. So obviously not drawn to scale, obviously. But we have 40 here, we have 40 here, we have 100 here. That's going to make 180, so we're good to go. This 40 angle creates a side length of 24. This 100-degree angle creates a side length of 49. That means this 40-degree angle will create a side length of 4 feet. Is that necessary to solve the problem? No, but it's interesting. Going on to the next triangle, here we are. We have another kind of combination of 40s here. 40 here, we got 40 here, which, even though it's not to scale, knows that we have 100 here. So what we have, ladies and gentlemen, are similar triangles. We have similar triangles. And this, And this, ladies and gentlemen, is what they look like. Get it? That's what the two similar triangles look like. I know I didn't do a great job. That's a 40 in the corner there. But this is the two triangles broken apart from each other and lined up with their similar sides lined up. So obviously going from 24 to 48 is times 2. So we need to go from 49 times 2. That's the answer. Nobody got it. I wish I had sad music to play. Hold on a second. What is this? What is the name of that meme? No. Oh, yeah, that's it. That's it. All right, here it is. Here's the clip. I don't want the full thing. I just want the voice board. Hold on. You guys have to wait while I find this.
I can feel my leg.
Where is it?
The parasite just keeps. I'm gonna make it. How long it'll take? I mean, like you used.
Where is it? I need to find the timestamp.
The comrades I've lost.
No, I can't find it. Dude. All right, hold on. One more time.
Suffer. Just to suffer.
That's it. This is how I feel when no one gets one right.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer.
Just to get them wrong! Just to get questions wrong!
And my
That's how I feel. That's how I feel. Bros, how did we not get it? How did we not get it? Yeah, but the angles, isn't that how it works? Look in the comments. Someone will put it there. You sound kind of like Dream. Maybe I am Dream. I'm not. All right. Let's get back to questions. Summer is like, let's go. Let's go. I appreciate that. But like I said, my brain today is just barely getting by, guys. It's barely getting by. All right. Rebecca, I'm confused. What are you confused about, Rebecca? Yeah, the triangles were isosceles. Yeah. Know that us, we are suffering. Yeah, you guys are suffering. Triangle question that will get you guys again. Send me a message, Rebecca. I'll explain it to you then. We have to move on from that question. Let's see. I hope I'm wrong. I hope all you guys are right and I was the one that made me feel good. Another question for you. Triangle question. Oh, that actually could be pretty good. Something like that. B is the center of square WXYZ. If WX is 10, what is the area of ABCZ? One starting us off with 25. That's good that you self-teach yourself. That's impressive. It's on its own. What's up, miscellaneous? Okay, I'll give you just a little bit more time to work on this and then we'll get going. Okay. We're wrapping this question up. Wrapping it up. Rip, rip, rip. Wrap it up. Luis, 10 divided by 2 equals 5. 5 times 5 is 25. You get 5 due to B being the center, which has a height of 10. Yes, I guess that is true. But you could technically do that, yeah. Rostar's got 30. All right, let's wrap it up. All right. Let's cut this boy down. So obviously this isn't like the best, most beautiful diagram, right? We all know that coming to this channel. I'm only a man, not a superhero. I do want to show you guys something. They're all going to be the same. It's going to be 4 equal chunks. Because 90 degrees is 1/4 of 360 degrees. And that's why no matter which way we rotate this cross around this square, it will always, because the square has 4 equal sides and the cross has 4 parts, It will always be equal. So it's just going to be 1/4 the area. 1/4 of 100. We already know what it is, 25. That's it. I'm going to consider that a minor redemption. There's the redemption. Finally. We've come so far. We've come so far. It's like the end of the Lord of the Rings. We're at the volcano. We're both covered in dirt, cuts, and bruises. And you have the ring and you're holding it out over the volcano. I'm just like, wow, look at us. Look at us. We've come so far. Yeah, that's it. But how does the angle have anything to do with it? It could be the same angle, but different areas. It's not, I don't, unless you would, I mean, I'm open to that being true, but that's not what I know. How would you do one-on-one tutoring, Tyler? I do it, I've actually been doing it online for like the past 5 years. So it's just like through a, FaceTime or Zoom or whatever, Skype. What a time to be alive. Sports show, filler music. You guys crack me up, dude. Wait, why don't they look all equal, but are all equal if you use math? Yep. Yeah, that's true. Look at us. Wow. What a time to be alive, guys. Well, we didn't get to grammar today. We did not get to grammar today, which is sad, but it's okay. It's time. It's time for the iconic ending. I feel like I'm writing my name way too many. Okay, but there's a lot to go over. All right, so here is the relevant information for your life. TylerTutorTestPrep@gmail.com, TylerTutor.com. Go there and study for free, no memberships, no money. Play Deep Mind. Hone your precisions. Tyler Tutor Discord. Join, come talk, come hang, come answer questions with us. And if you're so obliged to come join us on the island Minecraft server. More info for that in the Discord. Why not more? I know. Let's see what the chat says. Where did you get the 100 from? I can't go back. Why did I miss both redemptions? I don't know. Yeah, you're right. I forgot it was on the midpoint. What is better, Khan tutorial or Argo prep, Tyler, and why? Does Khan tutorial have a book? I didn't know they had a book. If it's not at the midpoint, it's not equal. That's correct. Stream's ending. Yeah, sports show. Sorry. Bye. See you. Doesn't matter. I just came. Hey, Samantha. Bye, Samantha. Why not more? Because I'm done. I'm just done today. What do you personally think? I'm going to email you soon. Great. Look forward to that, Luis. Wait, Tyler, what's your Minecraft seed? Join the Discord, and there's a Minecraft channel on our Discord. At the very top, there's the seed. Tyler, can you tell my mom to get me Minecraft? Okay, get Bro Stars Minecraft. Can you buy Minecraft with Google Play credits? I don't know, maybe. I'm still sad I can't join the Discord because that's stupid phone verification. You know, maybe Techno, send me an email and let's see if we can get you in the Discord, get you an exception there. All right, bros. So I am out of here. And what a time to be alive. What a time to be alive. If you guys have any other questions, you guys can hit me up, find me at any time. Join the Discord because I'll be popping in and out of that tonight, helping people with questions. Just give me your best answer. They both like the same in terms of quality. I don't know, man. I've never gotten a cons book, so I don't know. I'd say Arco's okay. Get the Bobby Tariq one. All right, I'm out of here. Bye.